This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Suzanne Eden. Immaculate all-brick 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home in one of Farragut's most prestigious neighborhoods. The main level open floor plan features a spacious family room with gas fireplace, a large eat-in kitchen with granite counters, walk-in pantry and butler's pantry, stainless appliances, and huge island. There is also a formal dining area. In addition to the main level owner's suite, you will find a separate guest suite with full bathroom and a beautiful screened-in porch off the living area. Upstairs, you will find another large bedroom and bonus room, which could easily be turned into a 4th bedroom. Large floored storage area upstairs. For more information, review the details below.